Good day everyone. I am James Tabausares, and today I am going to present the role of authentic assessment in competency-based education. So the objectives at the end of the discussion, the students are able to define the authentic assessment, identify the role of authentic assessment in competency-based education, and also explain the importance of authentic assessment in competency-based education. So first, what is authentic assessment? Authentic assessment is an approach that can enable learning by measuring additional components of knowledge. Assessment, as we know, is a crucial part of the learning process where educators can see what students know and don't know, as well as why students do or don't understand a particular concept. So just like what we are doing in food service management, first, nagdi-discuss muna tayo about sa mga lessons na dapat matutunan natin. And after that, meron tayong laboratory wherein we can apply the knowledge and skills that we gained from the previous discussion or the lessons. Authentic assessment is a type of assessment that requires learners to apply their knowledge and skills in a real-world context. It measures what students know by demonstrating how they can apply their knowledge. This type of assessment is designed to measure students' ability to think critically, solve problems, and communicate effectively. So, just like what I said kanina, sa food service management, meron tayong laboratory wherein tinetest tayo kung meron ba tayong natutunan dun sa lessons na pinag-discuss natin or diniscuss natin. Kung nagain ba natin yung knowledge and skills na dapat nating matutunan doon sa lessons and mai-apply natin in a real life, in a real world context. So, role of authentic assessment and competency-based education. In competency-based education, authentic assessment plays a crucial role by providing a realistic and meaningful way to measure whether students have truly acquired the necessary skills and competencies to perform tasks in a real-world situations. So, our authentic assessment po nakaka-help sa atin to apply our knowledge and skills in a real world situation. Hindi lang po puro sa discussion like that, kundi sa meron tayong sa FSM meron tayong laboratory wherein nai-apply natin yung dapat na may apply natin doon sa bagay na yon. Authentic assessment mimic real-life scenarios requiring students to apply their knowledge and skills in a practical context like case studies, simulation, presentation, or designing projects, which directly aligns with the goal of a competency-based education to demonstrate practical abilities rather than just theoretical understanding. Authentic assessment enables students to demonstrate their competency through a variety of methods, allowing them to showcase their skills in ways that best suit their learning styles and strengths. So the importance of authentic assessment and competency-based education. First, it gives opportunities to the students to demonstrate skills, knowledge, and competencies in age-appropriate functional activities. And also, it allows the student to apply their knowledge and skills in a practical context that helps bridge the gaps between classroom learning and the demands of the workplace or future careers. That's